Got him. Fuck. You had his ass. He's over there somewhere. Did you get one? It's a blue one? Oh. It's not the right one. Here, take my ID and go fill out a PetSmart. You got the right one? Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, I bought a bird. His name's Gama Ray Schramke. It's his mom. She's hot. Trying to clean his fucking bowl right now. Oh my god. He's climbing on me. What's up with that? Hey. Say it's Bob. It's Bob. Yeah. You should come out here for a minute. Okay. Just come on, Mom.
Okay. I heard what happened, so I went ahead and wanted to say Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh.
Mom.
Oh.
We got you a bird.
Oh, you did? Oh my God. You did? Oh, thank you.
She thought we were just giving her a card.
Oh, thank you.
To give
Oh
Bob a
my
hug,
God, thanks, Bob.